Hi guys, welcome to Selenium Automation Testing. Today in this video we are going to learn how to find elements on the web page using our third locator, which is tag name. So in my previous video I have already covered how to find element using ID and name, and in this video we are going to learn how to find an element using a tag name. So tag is a concept of the HTML. So developers are going to use some important tags to create a web page. As you can see here, just right click on the text box, and if you click on the inspect element, it will provide the complete coding part. So this text box comes under the input tag, and if we right click on the login button and click on the inspect element, so the input login button is comes under the input tag. So as you can see here, one label tag is also there. So as you know, there are possibilities of more than one element share the single or same tag name. So we are not able to find a single value, or we are not able to find a single attribute using a tag name, because there are more than one tags present on the web page for the web element. So what is the use of this third locator, tag name? So sometimes in an interviewer may be asked that the question like how to find that how many links are there on the web page. So in that case we need to use one method, find elements. So the question is how to find that how many links are present on the web page. So we need to find all the web elements whose comes under the anchor tag, because we know links is comes under the anchor tag, a tag, and our question is how to find that how many elements, how many links are there on the web page. So for this we use find elements method. We are going to find all the elements which comes under the anchor tag, because they comes under the link part. So how to find, how to use tag name? So we use web element. Web element is an interface comes from the Selenium. So just press Ctrl and space, so it provide the complete information. Web element is equal to driver dot find elements. We have two method, find element, but in this case we would find elements by dot tag name. So we know that each and every link is comes under the anchor tag, so we provide a. And find elements method, we don't need this one, because find elements method will return one list which is the part of the collection. So let me import list of web element, because as I said, each and every link text box is known as a web element on the web page. So we use web element and we define the reference variable list, and we print the size of the list. So based on the size we are able to find that how many links are there on the web page. Use total numbers of link, and we use link dot size method is there. Okay, we use list dot size method. Okay, So let me explain once again. This three line is used for the launch the browser and launch our Facebook's homepage. Now we are going to learn our third locator, which is tag name. So developer will develop this web page using the different tags. So locators is used to find the element, but the tag name is shared by the more than one element. So we are not able to find this particular single element using the tag name, because the tag name for first name, tag name for surname, both are same. So the use of tag name is, sometimes interviewer may be asked that how to find that how many links are there on the web page. So links comes under the, see guys, uh, the cursor is changed when I click or when I mouse over on the link. It converted into hand icon. So if I click on the right, create a page link, and if I click on inspect, so it comes under the anchor tag, a tag. Let me give you one more example. If I click on the create page, right click, and if I click on the inspect, so again it comes under the anchor tag. So all the links on the web pages comes under the anchor tag. See one more example. All these elements are come under the anchor tag. So if interviewer asks that how to find that how many links are present on the web page, so the answer is by using find elements method and use tag name as a I, because each and every link comes under the anchor tag, and it will return one list of the type web element. So we store inside the list interface. Now let me run this program, and it will return with the total number of links on the Facebook homepage. First it will open our Firefox browser, then it will open our Facebook's homepage or Facebook's login or sign up page. Then it will find all the elements whose tag name is A, means all the elements whose comes under the anchor tag. It means it find all the elements whose comes under the link with the link. So we get the total number of links on the Facebook's homepage. So as you can see on the screen, our our Firefox browser is launched. Now it will open our Facebook's homepage, and then it will count total number of links on the web page and print on the console in Eclipse. So as you can see here, our Facebook web page is loading. Once it is completely loaded, it will print the number of links of the Facebook's homepage on console. So let me minimize the Facebook, and as you can see here, total number of links is 52 for Facebook login page. For this web page we got 52 links. So this is the example of how to find that how many links are there on the web page. In interview, interviewer may be asked to you that how to find that how many links are there on the web page. So on Facebook's homepage there are 52 links. Okay guys, so we are also done with our third locator. In my previous video I will cover class name, and then link text and partial link text, and then CSS selector and XPath. I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you have any confusion, please let me know. I will try to solve all your confusion.